Hey, what's up? If I look a little disheveled today, it's because I woke up at 4:30 as usual to go to the gym. We were in this big snowstorm here in New York City. I walked to the gym at 4:30 in the morning. I got there and there's a sign on the door that said, due to the inclement weather, the gym is closed the whole entire day, man. Waking up 4:30 in the morning is tough, but when I wake up at 4:30 in the morning and I can't work out, this is how I feel, man. Working out rejuvenates me, so I haven't been able to work out. I hope everybody's doing great. We're in the middle of a big snowstorm, big snowstorm here in New York. Actually, there's not a lot of snow on the ground. We have snow coverage everywhere. It's going to snow all day long, so maybe it's going to accumulate. They're talking about a foot and a half, maybe up to a foot and a half of snow, but I doubt it. So everything's kind of shut down, all right? Markets are open, stocks are lower, and this will not, in my opinion, this will not preclude the Fed from raising rates tomorrow at the conclusion of their meeting. Now, yesterday, the CME's FedWatch tool, I talk about that. That is the tool which predicts Fed action based on where the Fed fund futures are trading. That had a 95% probability, so it looked like a done deal. And even with stocks down today, if they stay down, because we've seen these rallies kind of abort themselves and end up, fairly strong. Whatever. Oil prices down. We're in the 47 handle. I told you guys. Now, if you got the MMT Trader report, I've been talking about some things in there, some developments. Now, I'm always ahead of everybody. I told you up at 52, 54. We sold at 54. We're short crude at 54. That's now a $7,000 profit per contract, okay? And I'm holding on. I told everybody, MMT Trader, we're short at 54. I was looking at the fundamentals before everyone else. I was looking at not just the supply, the demand was getting crushed. You had imports down. You had refiner inputs way down. You had gasoline demand way down. I said it was recession era demand. And I put these out on videos, okay? A lot of you guys got freebies who weren't signed up to my report. Anyway, there's stuff in the report now where I talk about the current situation. And, all the headlines now are blasting out about how, this morning we got the Saudi output, they're above their quotas. So the whole thing looks like it's collapsing. So now everybody's turning bearish. I was bearish at 54. They're turning bearish at 47. But I tell you, some things are happening. Big things. You got to get the report. MMT Trader. Go to pitbulleconomics.com and sign up. 30-day free trial. You get the report, you get all the back issues. Now, on top of that, there was some other information in the report yesterday that I sent out specifically having to do with banks and their trading positions. Very important. Banks sitting on trading positions. Are they profitable? Are they losing? I gave the data in there. There's a chart in there. Very, very, very important. You got to check it out. What else? Gold up, dollar down marginally tomorrow. If they raise rates, I really think the stock market is going to hit the skids. There are many things now beneath the surface. And, everybody bought up this market on all this euphoria about tax cuts and infrastructure spending. None of that stuff is happening. And Trump is about to introduce his budget this week. Okay, they're releasing the budget, which calls for historic cuts in domestic federal spending programs. Okay, historic. Okay, they're saying that we've not seen things like this since maybe after World War II, when the government cut back in a dramatic fashion after World War II. But don't forget, at that time, we were still on a gold standard. There's a difference. Now they're doing these cuts for no reason at all. I mean, just because of this crazy, insane ideology about government spending and deficits, and this is this neoliberal ideology which pervades every place. Europe with the austerity, and Japan, and everything has to be monetary policy, which has very, very little effectiveness, very little effect. The only thing monetary policy can do, if you think about it, the only thing monetary policy can do is set prices. All right, they set them high when they raise rates, they set them low when they cut rates. And the other thing that the central bank can do is supply liquidity to preclude banking crises when it understands that. I went through the whole thing about how in 2008 with the Lehman failure, they didn't even understand that. Hello, Bernanke. Hello, Bernanke. Now I think they understand that. People say to me, oh, a crisis like that is going to happen again. No, it's not going to happen again like that. That was a once-in-a-lifetime deal, because now they understand. However, if they ever get rid of the Fed, then it could happen again, because the Congress or any political assembly, they're going to be fighting as Rome burns. Nero fiddled while Rome burns. That's what's going to happen. So get the report, people. It's all in there. 7,000 per contract. I mean, some people have 10 contracts on. They're making 70 grand right now. All right, on that call. All right. See you guys later. If you're in the snow, hang out, man. Hang out. See you guys later. Bye-bye.